Let's see. So what we are looking for is, let's quickly draw it out. These circles should have the same radius. I just suck at drawing. 2 points that this connects, and a line through it. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for the equation of this line. So how do we find that? Well, step one is... Now, actually, what this will show you, before I go into what we're actually going to do, what this will show you is kind of a thing that Math Team loves to do. And it's just like kind of a trust the process thing, if I'm being honest. What you'll see is that we can manipulate this equation to kind of look like a line, I guess. I don't actually really know how to explain this, but okay, let's start. Yeah, I'm not doing a good job at explaining this. Let's start by turning this into a circle equation. What we can do from there, once we have, because circle equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. From there, we can easily move the h and k. We know that it moves, oh, what the hell? Okay. Moves 2 to the right and 3 down, which means h is just going to be plus 2 and k is going to be minus 3. From where we find h and k to be. And that's going to end up being our new circle equation. And once we have both circle equations, because there are 2 circles here, we can find these 2 points and the line that connects them. So let's start with that. Let me rewrite out this. First thing I'm going to do is get everything on the same side, everything that we want on the same side, and everything we don't want on a different side. Oh, wait. Let me, I'm going to actually start with that, move that over. Plus y squared, it'll make sense in a second, minus 6y equals 3. Now, what we're going to do is, to get it into this form, we are going to complete the square. First step to that is completing this guy. That's going to be plus 4 on both sides. X squared minus 4x plus 4, because this makes x minus 2 squared. And if you don't know how to complete a square, the person I'm making this video for 100% does, but if anyone else doesn't know how to complete the square, you can look up a quick video. It's not that hard. Second part is going to be y squared minus 6y plus 9, add 9 to both sides. And you get y minus 3 squared. And your radius ends up being, because we added 4 and we added 9, it's going to be 3 plus 4 plus 9, which ends up being something nice if I remember properly. 12, 16. Very cool. So this has a radius of 4. Not that that's actually necessary, and you will see why in a second. Okay. We have center of 2 and 3. 2, 3. That's our center of this circle. We know that the second circle shifts 2 to the right and 3 down. That means on a thingy, if you've got something there, 2 to the right, 3 down. Plus 2 minus 3. Let's apply that. If circle J has a vertex of 2, 3, then circle... That is not a J. Circle K? Was it K? Circle K will have a vertex of 2 to the right, plus 2, 4. 3 down, that's just 0. That is just 0. You know, I don't remember that. I didn't remember it being 0, but... Okay, that's fine with me. I didn't really do this version of the problem. There are multiple versions of this problem, but... Anyway, you end up with the second, you get your circle K equation to be x minus 4 squared. 1 second, did I, yeah, okay, we're good. X minus 4 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 16. Now, these equations are both equal to 16. What we're looking for is the points where x and y equal each other. Or, well, the points where it works, pretty much. So all we have to do is set these equations equal to each other because they have the same radius. We can set them equal to each other. And you're going to get an equation that will map out the possible points for this. X minus, we're going to start with circle J, plus y minus 3 squared equals 16, which equals x minus 4 squared plus, I'm just going to put y squared. Now, we can cut the middleman and just have these. This expands to x squared minus 4x plus 4. I know it's a shame we have to re-expand out, but it's okay. Y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared. Now, something that's very nice is that the x squareds cancel out and the y squareds cancel out. And if you don't notice already, this is now a linear equation, and you will see that in a second. Add 8x to both sides, and you get 4x. And then you add 6y. Oh no, we're going to keep 6y over there. 4x minus 6y. And then on this side, we had 4 plus 9, which is 13, equals, we had 16 on the other side. 4x minus 6y, subtract 13 from both sides, and you get 3. Now, what did it want from us? That, by the way, this is standard form for a line, and that line maps out the possible x and y values. Yeah, that goes through the 2 points. So I know that this might not be the most satisfying solution. I don't know another solution, but this might not be the most satisfying solution because it's like, okay, you kind of put stuff places and you end up getting a line. How do you know that line's right? Honestly, this is not the best answer I could ever give, but sometimes you just gotta kind of like accept the thing that works out. This works out. It passes through the 2 points that are possible on the circle. I'm not 100% sure how this actually makes the line, but I know that it has to pass through the 2 points based on what we did, and it's a line, meaning that it fits the criteria. I'm just not 100% sure how this really got a standard form line. I would have expected it to just pop out 2 points, but I don't know. I didn't think too hard. That's just the process. Now it wants, we got our equation ax plus by equals c. It wants a minus b plus c. 4 is a, negative 6 is b, and 3 is c. A minus b plus c. 4 minus negative 6 plus 3. You'll see them do this a lot. 10 plus 3 is 13. I hope that's right. I'm really tired. If there's an issue there, my bad, but that is how you do the problem. It got to a nice answer, so I'm expecting it to be right. And that's how you do that problem. There goes another conics problem. I'm probably going to go to sleep soon. But I hope this helped. Good luck on the meet tomorrow. Oh, what am I doing? That's not how this works. Do I leave that in? Let's see. How much time have I spent? Okay, looks like I will not be leaving that in.